The Assembly. Number 1. It is the third branch of the government. It protected the plebeians, and it had two parts, the assemblies and the tribunes. Number 2. Eligibility. Both plebeians and patricians were eligible. Number 3. Duties and powers. The assembly was elected. They had government officials, the consuls, which were the leaders of the government, and the tribunes, which were the leaders of the assembly. Within the tribunes, those leaders of assemblies, the tribunes could assist people with legal matters, they could veto laws, and they could ask the Senate to meet to propose new laws.